What's up, man? I can overtake him. I can go at 160 kilometers per hour. But oh man, it's cold also here. This is a roller coaster, man. आगे मस्त twisties है. Now is the most fun part. लाग लगा तो ना? पार्टी क्या? Damn. Forgot to take my watch. Oh, I did. Nice. 6:10. Another morning, another ride. Oh, it's nice and cold, huh, today? I mean, yeah, I've got a few comments from the Delhiites of YouTube that cold, really? But yeah, it's cold as per Mumbai standards, mind you. Okay, so today's ride is a bit special because firstly I'm getting to ride after 2 weeks, so quite a time has passed of me being in slavery. But the person that's going to join me for the ride is a YouTuber as well, a very big YouTuber in fact. He's got almost 50,000 subscribers on YouTube and his name is Mortal Moto. You already might be knowing. If you know me, you must be knowing him. He's been doing this for quite a while now. हम तो बस beginner है अभी. And I'm pretty sure he'll be pissed at me right now because I've gotten 10 minutes late. I forgot my GoPro batteries, man. So I had to go back and get them. And now I'm late. But ये तो Indians की पहचान है ना. To be late wherever the you want to go. Unless he himself is also late, which is totally fine. Okay, I can't find him, so that's good. So I'll get back to you once Mortal is here.
A few inches later.
Huh. At 6:30. He's still not here. भाई साहब कुछ ज़्यादा ही इंडियन है शायद. But yeah, it's okay. The wait is worth it, I guess. I tried calling him, but he's not responding, which means that he's probably riding. So that's a good thing. Or probably he's just ghosted me. Okay, he is here. Hello? Yeah, sure, take your time. Okay, cool, bye. Yeah, so he's leaving now. Mortal, I'm judging you so hard right now. I'm kidding, man. That's okay, that's alright. Yeah, so if you guys so whenever you guys are watching this video, if it's after a gap of a week or two, that's because editor Anurag was on a leave. No, you idiot. I'm working overtime to edit this video for you. So stop accusing me of taking the leave and going home without editing the video. Yes, guys. We are a company. We are an organization. We have different employees. One is the writer Anurag, that's myself. Then there's editor Anurag. Then there's marketing Anurag. Then there's the employee Anurag, who slogs his ass at a job to earn the money for all these rides. So yeah, and many more. You'll discover them eventually. So yeah, editor Anurag was on a leave of 1 week. He had gone to his hometown for Diwali, a video of which we will also get soon. Right, editor Anurag? Just say yes on the screen.
Hey.
A few moments later.
It's 7 almost. He's still not here. I could have taken a nap of at least an hour, man. Yeah, so that was my ride, guys. I hope you liked it. Make sure you let me know in the comment section how did you find it. If it was interesting enough. So I'm heading back to home now. I guess we are done here now. he just messaged me that he'll be here in 10 minutes. So let's hope that those are not Jupiter 10 minutes. Mortal, I'll keep this in mind for our future rides. If we decide the time to be at 6, I'll come at 7 because that's how we roll. I've started roasting him now.
Sorry, Babu.
I thought might as well just pamper my bike a little by the time he's here. What is the time now? 7:04. Yeah, so he's finally here now. What's up, man? Huh? Acha. I was this close from going back home. It's okay, man. अच्छा हाँ ये साइड से मैं इसलिए वहाँ पे खड़ा था चलो हाँ so yeah he's finally here. He had some issues with his bike, so he got a little late, not much, a little, just 1.5 hours. I'm gonna troll you forever for this, man. Mortal,
माफ कर दो बाबू.
beautiful sunrise. Here's the Ducati Scrambler.
क्या लगा है भाई मुझे?
कैमरा हाँ हाँ
A few moments later.
we are riding to either I need to check if I'm recording. Yeah, I'm recording. We are heading towards Shinchan Lake. No guys, it's not Shinchan. That's a Japanese cartoon. We are going to an Indian lake. In 600 meters, light left, okay? We are going to an Indian lake. It's called Shinchan Lake, not Shinchan Lake. So, the road there seems to be pretty sweet. So, that's going to be interesting. I don't want to race him because I let him have fun. Not that I can't do it, but I just want to let him have fun. I don't want to compete with him. You know, I'm a very matured person that way.
Are you comedy me?
Yeah, this is where my bike peaks. Can't even try. The open road. This feeling will never get old, man. Whoa! This feeling never gets old. My bro, you're changing lanes and how? This feels good. हाथ जोड़ के सलाम भाई तेरे को.
बंद करो हाथ जोड़ के मैं.
Whoa, Symphony, the inline 4 Symphony. I hope it's inline 4. It sounded like that. अब ये भाई साहब नहीं मिलेंगे मेरे को. This is when I realized that I need a more powerful, more higher capacity bike. The highway is where you feel the need of the power. This bike literally feels breathless after about what 5,000 RPM. and after that it has got no power at all, especially on the 6th gear after 100 kmph. It crawls up to 120 and after that nothing. It can't go any further. This is when machines like this, the Dominar, all the newer 300cc bikes shine. Not the Honda shine, these bikes shine. You know, you see what I did there? I wonder if there comes a 300cc Honda Shine, like a commuter bike, would people buy it? I mean, not gonna lie, people are crazy and they might as well just buy it. We missed out on the fog this time. Thanks to you, Mortal. Mortal, I'm going to troll you for so long for this. I feel like the king of the road. Not the world, not yet. And I'm no more the king of the road as well. But you know guys, I can do that. I can go past him, I can overtake him, I can go at 160 kilometers per hour, but I don't want to, you know.
अब तो सच बोल दे।
Oh, this is where the Wandri Lake was. Now is going to be the real fun. Oh, this is RA Colony with a better road. Oh man. Oh, I feel so happy, man. I feel so fucking happy. Oh man, it's cold also here. Damn! You know what? I'm just gonna shut up and enjoy the road now, and also let you guys enjoy it. This is a roller coaster, man. Oh man. This feels great, man. I'm so fucking wide awake. I'm glad my phone didn't slip off. Oh, that was great, man. That was fucking great. Oh, god damn it.
ठीक है भाई मैं चलता हूँ।
This was fucking million times more fun than the highway, man. What's up? Battery? कहाँ मस्त रोड है यार। हाँ यार,
घाट कौन सा था? वही था।
हाँ शायद वही था। आगे तो अरे आगे भी है यार, आगे मस्त ट्विस्टीज है। मैं भी चेक करता हूँ मेरी बैटरी। डोंट वांट टू लूज ऑन इट मैन। हाँ, such fun man, such fun.
A few moments later.
Now is the most fun part. This was fun. The highways were good, like they were really good. Whoa, noise. मस्त आहे रे स्पॉट.
सिंगल सीट होती ना?
हा मी लावून घेतली. आता घरी जाणार आहे ना मी, पाठी लगेच लावणार आहे.
मला वाटलं गर्लफ्रेंड.
नाही रे.
Why are we still here? Just to suffer.
घेऊन गेलं तर ट्रॅक सकट घेऊन
He's framing the shot. कसं राहायचंय?
समजेल कैसे
A low budget drone shot. I'm not standing on the bridge, guys. This is a drone.
कसम से
बन जाता है, इसमें दिमाग लगाने का जरूरत नहीं है। बेसिक ट्रिक है, एक तो लाइक और शेयर ठोक लीजिए, महाकाल का दबाकर लाइक और शेयर ठोक लीजिए। 5000 लौटे दिख जाना चाहिए। ये 4000 के लिए मैं यहाँ पे नहीं खड़ा हूँ, पूरा साल मेहनत करता हूँ आपके लिए बेटा। ऐसा नहीं चलेगा, ऐसा नहीं चलेगा।
Whoa, whoa, shit. लागलं का तुला?
अरे तुम्ही तिकडे घेतली, अरे तुम्ही राईटला घेतली गाडी.
थांबा पाठी घ्या जरा. थांबा. एक मिनिट थांबा. 1 मिनिट थांबा ना. You'll have to pull it out. पाठी घ्या.
तुम्ही तिकडे सोडून द्या.
गिअर मध्ये आहे ना? हा. घ्या पुढे घ्या, बाजूला घ्या ना कुठेतरी. तुला लागलं नाहीये ना कुठे? इकडे फक्त लिव्हर्स गेलं, बाकी कुठे लागलं नाही आहे अजिबात. क्रॅश गार्डने हे घेतलं. हो हा रे. अरे हा त्याला काय करू शकत नाही ना.
काय करणार त्याचं? खूप सरळ वाटतंय.
हा सरळच आहेत.
हो यार.
ऍक्च्युली दोघं पण एकमेकांच्या ब्लाइंड स्पॉट मध्ये होता तुम्ही.
आणि त्यांनी थोडंसं राईटला घेतलं, तर मला वाटलं की रस्ता आहे.
ये ना बाहेरून जा ना, मोहळ टाकणार
कळलं मला.
माझी साईड कुठची आहे ना, तुझी साईड कुठची आहे?
जाऊ दे आता. त्याला काही झालं नाही ना.
काय झालं नाही ना? तुमच्या गाडीला काय लागलं नाहीये ना?
जाऊ दे.
पुढे जाऊन थांब जरा बाजूला.
मडगाड होते, बाकी तर ठीक आहे.
एकदा ना जॅकेट काढून बघ तुला कुठे लाग, कारण ॲड्रेनलिन मध्ये नाही समजत, सांगतो तुला. सुरुवातीला समजत नाही अजिबात लागलेलं कुठे वगैरे असेल तर. गाडीचं काय होऊन जातं रे, काय टेन्शन नाही आहे.
ठीक आहे, जर मडगाडच गेलं काय नाही. मडगाड
हे क्रॅश गार्डने वाचवून घेतलं इंजिनला, कारण ती बँक वरती आहे ना ती गाडी, सरळ डोक्यावर पडली ती. तू रेकॉर्ड होतास का चालू? रेकॉर्ड करत होतास तू?
नाही ना, क्रॅश झालं तेव्हा ना, त्याच्यानंतर कॅमेरा चालू केला.
हो.
आणि हे पण आहे ना, तिकडे ग्रॅव्हल पण होतं.
हा यार, चल टेन्शन नाही आता काय.
तसं काय झालं तर नाही.
Mishaps like these happen. दिल छोटा नहीं करना चाहिए ऐसी चीज़ों के लिए। वो आई डिडंट रियलाइज दिस कॉर्नर इज दैट टाइट। थोड़ा सा मूड ख़राब हो जाता है आफ्टर व्हेन सच थिंग्स हैपन, बट ठीक है, अब हो गया तो हो गया। वाई टू थिंक एंड अननेसेसरीली ruin the mood। The cars are beautiful though. The cars are making up for it. And in such situations, people often tend to get a little hyper and lose their control. So it's very important to, to realize what needs to be done at that moment, and rather than like blaming each other, which doesn't help at all. The most important thing is, and the most great thing is, that no one is hurt, so we don't have to worry about it. That little guy, he was super cute. Hold on, Rossi. Damn. Damn. Let's keep a steady head. Oh, damn it. Wow. Damn. This ride was totally worth it, man. Had so much fun at that location, man. Such a pure and blissful location. Beautiful, just beautiful. And this time I took the time to get some nice and delicious shots for you guys. And that's only because I had this partner, because my rider partner is Mortal Moto, and us being like-minded and belonging to the same and similar fraternity, being bike enthusiasts and also YouTubers, so we could relate to a lot of stuff, so we helped each other out. On a bridge, dude. Not on a bridge. Not cool. Anyway, so we could relate to a lot of stuff together. We had some really nice discussions about YouTube, about biking, about riding gears, about everything. And Mortal Moto, man, you're humble. You're really humble. Thank you for coming with me. Thank you for collaborating as well. Not every this is the first big YouTuber that I'm collaborating with, and I'm very sure not every YouTuber is as humble and as down to earth as you. You were super friendly with me approaching you on Instagram, and then us being friends, and then coming to a ride like this. Thank you for this, man. And also thank you for being kind enough to feature me also in your videos. And anyone that's come with reference to Mortal Moto, welcome and thank you. Thank you for stopping by, and thank you for checking out my channel as well. If you did like what I do, you know what to do. And I really hope I have entertained you at least a bit. Not as much as Mortal does, but I'm doing my part. So I hope that's working out. So now, yeah, we are now heading back towards Mumbai. And this ride was actually very relaxing, you know. But again, we also had that unfortunate incident in the middle. But that's life, then that happens, so it's okay. We are glad that no one was hurt. Neither Mortal nor anyone in that tempo or anything. So it's just that he lost his front fender. That's it. And that costs what? Some 500-600 bucks. So that's not much big of a deal. But yeah, overall this ride was amazing, and special thanks to Mortal Moto for taking the time and riding with me. Also guys, if you have been watching me and haven't watched the Mortal Moto's video yet, or have been living under a rock and probably don't know about him, so make sure you check his channel as well, also his videos, which I really doubt that you guys haven't already. So, but if you do, make sure you let him know in the comment section below and give him some love. That's it from my side for this video and this ride. Hope you guys take care and ride safe. Bye bye.
Bonus.
नहीं चालू वीडियो है नहीं रुक इतना ही शो के लिए इतना ही
So please whatever. Please I want to reach 1 million likes. So please sarapakarai.